So we're here with Gecko, with Chris from Mozilla, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S2.
That's right, off-the-shelf hardware.
And what did you guys do to actually install the software on it?
So we use an open source tool called Heimdall to flash the phone, and we use mostly open source components, so the Linux kernel, some low-level device drivers, and then Gecko to build the system that goes on here. And once we've made a complete image, then we just use this Heimdall tool to flash the Galaxy S2. So you just saw it restart from originally where we were in Gecko. So the startup speed is actually quite a bit faster than Android, as we just discussed. And now that we've got back into the main screen itself, you can see the HTML device experience. So this lock screen is actually just a web application. So this is a little div sitting here. We have an image, we have some text and a span, and then up here we have a display that shows off some of the new web APIs we've added. So you can see the network status. So this is actually showing the signal strength of the modem antenna. We have a Wi-Fi indicator, which is actually faked right now. But the battery status is another API we've added. So this is actually showing you the capacity left in the battery. And then we have time. That's not very surprising. So I can go ahead and unlock this and get to the home screen. And again, the home screen is just an HTML5 web application. And we spent quite a bit of time optimizing it so it's responsive and fast. So we get 60 frames a second transitions. It's nice and responsive. And I can show you dragging down the status bar as well. So we have a little status indicator borrowed from a popular UI. And the UI itself is sort of a concept right now. So you can see an icon in the bottom left of each of these little tiles. And the tiles themselves and the icon are specified in an application manifest. So all of these icons on the home screen here are loaded in by the home screen application by reading this application API that we've added to Gecko in the process of standardizing.